Hello students, this is class 3rd C. Class 3rd C. Subject GSC and today date is 15/2/2021. Today we have to study lesson 12, force. Lesson 12, force. Lesson 12, force. So before starting this lesson, pre-reading questions. Before we have some experience of the force. By applying force, we can push a table. By applying force, we can carry the loads. So by applying force, horse run. In the same way, in daily life we see a large number of examples of the force. So pre-reading questions. What happens to a football if you kick it? If we kick the football, we apply the force on the football and football moves. Next, name 2 accidents that you do not open and close the door of your cupboard. You have to write the 2 examples. Next, have you ever thought that while you are able to walk more easily on a rough surface rather than a smooth one? You know that you can move properly on a rough surface, but it is difficult to move on the smooth surface. You have experienced during rainy season. This surface becomes slippery and you will fall down. So we have to study these things about these things in this lesson. So aim of studying this lesson to clear the concept of force and friction. Aim of studying this lesson. Aim to clear the concept of force and friction. Here the aim of studying this lesson to clear the concept of force and friction. Some examples are given. You have to see this diagram. The force is simply a push or a pull. This is the definition of the force. Force is simply a push or pull. If we are pushing anything, we are applying the force. We are pulling anything, we are applying the force. So force is simply a push or a pull. A child pushing a wheelchair, a horse pulling a cart. So examples are given here. You see a child pushing a wheelchair. His grandfather is sitting in the chair and child is pushing the wheelchair, and a horse pulling a cart. A horse is pulling cart. So two examples you have seen: pushing a wheelchair and pulling a cart. Force can do many things. Force can do many things. What can do force? A force can make a thing move. A force can make a thing move. If we push the football, if we kick the football, then football moves. A force can make a thing move. Put your bag, put your school bag on a table and push it. What happens to the bag? This bag moves from its place. So by the applying force, a bag move from its place. A force can make a moving thing stop. A force can make a moving thing stop. So, for example, ask your friend to throw a ball towards you. Ask your friend to throw a ball towards you. You catch the ball. What happens to the ball? The ball stops moving. If someone is throwing the things to you, if you catch the thing, it stops moving. A force can make a thing stop moving. So a force can make a thing stop. One example you have studied, a force can make a thing move. And other example you have studied, a force can make a thing stop moving. A force can make a moving thing change direction. A force can make a moving thing change direction. You are familiar with the football. During football playing, you are kicking the football, moving one direction, and your friend again kick the football in another direction. So in this way, force can change the direction of moving object. Ask your friend to kick a ball towards you. Now you kick the running ball away from you. Now you kick the running ball away from you. What happens to the direction of the ball? What happens to the direction of the ball? The direction the direction of the ball changes. So in this way, the force can make a moving thing change direction, or the force is able to move the direction of the moving object. Now next, force can change the shape of a thing. Force can change the shape of a thing. It is very easily you can take a rubber band. You pull it is initially it is rounded, it is circular. If you hold in between two fingers and pull in the opposite direction, then you find the shape of the rubber band is changed. So force can change the shape of a thing. Hold a rubber band in one hand, pull the band with the other hand. The rubber band changes its shape, it becomes longer and thinner. So in this way, we can say that force can change the shape of a thing. So I think this is for today. Next time we will discuss about friction. Thank you. That's all.